Hello everyone, welcome to the DeritaTech Solution YouTube channel. Today I will show you how you can add control panel to right click menu, the so-called context menu. If this is your first time for this channel, consider subscribing so that you will get IT tips, tricks and how-to videos every weekend. Let's start. As you know, control panel is a Windows component which helps us to view and change different Windows settings. It could be network setting, it could be creating users, managing users, it could be adding or removing hardwares and installing your softwares, whatever it may be. You will use control panel for viewing and changing your system setting in Windows. So for all these reasons, you will access control panel throughout the day. Frequently you will have access to your control panel. So if this is the case, it will be better if you have it in handy way, if you have it available for you easily. Today I will show you how you can make it easily available by adding it to your right click menu. Just by right clicking it here, you will get it. You'll get the control panel here. I'll show you how you'll do that. As you see here now, there is no control panel in this right click menu, in this context menu. We will add it soon. So in order to add control panel to the right click menu, to the context menu, what we are going to do is we will use a registry editor, Windows registry editor. As you know, Windows registry editor is a database of Windows setting. It has every settings that exists in Windows, so we will use it. To edit the registry editor, we need to take some care first before changing any setting in registry. It is advisable to take a backup of the registry. So the first step in adding this control panel to the right click menu is opening the registry editor. To open the registry editor, what we are going to do is just type on the start search bar regedit, REGEDET. When you type regedit here, it will appear here. Then click on it. Once you opened, it's better if we first backup. To backup, just export it in case something is wrong. We will restore it back. This is simply for safety purpose. Once we did a backup of the registry editor, let's go to the straight to today's step. After backing up, the first step we have to follow in order to add control panel to right click menu is opening the registry, then clicking on HKey classes root. Click here. After clicking here, we have to search a folder named directory. Under here, just click on D and control. Continue searching for a folder named directory. Here is it. Once we find the folder named directory, click here to open it. Again, click on the background folder. Just once you open background folder, right click on the folder named shell, then point to new and click on key. As soon as you click on key, you will be given an option to type. So type in control panel, you will name it, the key will be named control panel. You can name it another name, but it will be better if we make it standard so that everybody gets it. Once you added control panel, Again, right click on that control panel folder and create another key. Name this key as command. This should be command, it will not be other name. After that, click on the command directory, the command folder you have created. After clicking here, double click here on the default string, double click on it. Now, once you opened the edit string box, we have to add the command that will allow us to open control panel from right click menu. Just type run run dll32.exe. Press one space here, then shell 32.dll. Now put a comma here. It's a comma, not full stop. Put a comma. After that, type capital C, then in a small letter control, place underscore, capital R, UNDLL. Since this one is case sensitive, you have to type it like this. The first one is in a small letter, run dll32.exe. This is also in small letter, shell 32.dll. Then we have to put a comma here. After that, type control underscore run dll. Then click OK. If everything is OK, if you did everything correctly, the result will be immediate. Let's check it. Just right click on desktop. Here is it. Click on it. Here is your control panel. So like this, you will bring a control panel handy to you. Make it easily available for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. Thanks.